Hi, this is John Burek with PC Mag. I'm here at Asus's headquarters during Computex 2024, and we're checking out the ROG Azoth Extreme. This is a sequel to a keyboard that we reviewed last year called the ROG Azoth, which was one of our favorite keyboards of last or any year, really. So the Azoth Extreme is slightly larger than the original Azoth, but you'll notice in the display here that there's a whole bunch of layers shown here, some of which come built into the keyboard and some of which are optional. Take, for instance, the gasket. Over here, there's a silicone pad, which comes pre-installed on the Azoth Extreme and gives a slightly springier feel to it. You can remove it, however, by slipping the keyboard over and taking some screws out and taking it out of the keyboard. You'll also notice that the underside of the keyboard has removable feet. They're magnetic. You'll also notice around the edges, if you need to get inner access to the keyboard, say to change the silicone gasket inside, that the screws are accessible but subtle, so they don't really mar the underside of the keyboard's look. So the original Azoth had an OLED screen in the corner. This one is full color and is also a touch screen, so you can look at different system attributes or little animations on the screen. There is also a rocker switch in the corner. So the name of the switches that are in this keyboard are the ROG NX Snow. They have a nice, sort of crisp, snappy feel to them, which, as mentioned earlier, you can adjust in various ways by adding gaskets or throwing the switch on the bottom.